Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to increase font size on X on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, you need to go to settings. After that, you need to scroll down and click Control Center. And after that, scroll down again and click on this plus near text size button. Click here, and after that go to X application, and now we must lower your curtain, and here click on text button. After that click X only button here, and now you can increase your font. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.